on in and welcome to our Foyer makeover. If you missed the last video with the before tour and demo, click the card above to catch up. Otherwise, let's start painting. You've seen us use Clare Paint before and we're happy to bring it back for this makeover. If you haven't heard of Clare, it's an online paint company. No standing in lines at stores, waiting for your paint to be ready. Simply place an online order and they'll send it straight to your door. If you're not sure what color you want, try one of their peel and stick swatches to test the color. Once everything was covered in plastic and drop cloths, it was time to prime. This was super satisfying to see everything as a fresh, blank, clean slate. We did one coat of primer and it made such a difference.
That's too much.
That's what I do. I'm too much, remember? I think it gets the little fuzzies off, right?
Then it was time to paint the ceiling. This is one of my favorite parts of a room makeover because I feel like we're finally making visible progress. We did 2 coats of ceiling paint. Now let's step back several months. I found a gorgeous chandelier on Facebook Marketplace in Baltimore for only $50, so of course we had to go pick it up. The woman selling it was super nice and said she was renovating. After being in a renovation and then sitting in our storage space, the chandelier was quite filthy. Emma did a fantastic job meticulously cleaning it up until it sparkled. We replaced the warm colored bulbs with brighter daylight bulbs. also picked up a ceiling medallion off Facebook Marketplace for $10. After a good scrub and some spray paint in champagne bronze, it was time to install it. For some reason, I always think hanging a light fixture will take 10 to 15 minutes, but it never does. It usually takes 1 to 2 hours and sometimes 1 to 2 days to get everything to fit perfectly together.
Ready?
Ready?
Okay, now.
Rob also hung up the light fixture on the stair landing. This was the original light and I love that it matches the chandelier. Rob installed the picture lights too. They switched from warm light to cool light to daylight, which is a nice touch. They were a bit of a splurge at a little over $100 each, but I really wanted something vintage looking here. These lights are linked in my Amazon storefront under Foyer in the description box below. Stay tuned and subscribe. We have a lot of other exciting updates and changes to share really soon. We'll see you all down in the comments below. Bye!